Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a profile on Netflix app. So to do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app. And of course, you should have an account on Netflix. And after that, choose your profile. And after that, click on My Netflix, which is on the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on your name or the name of your profile. And after that, click on Manage Profiles. And for example, I will go to that account or profile, and scroll down until I find an option called Delete Profile. I click on it, and after that, I click Delete again. And like that, this profile is deleted. After that, I have just to click on Done, and the profile was deleted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next.